Bird Beaks. Birds eat with their beaks. Each bird's beak shape is good for eating different kinds of food. Sparrows eat lots of seeds. They have short, thick beaks. They open the hard seed shells with their beaks. Then they eat the seeds inside. Eagles eat animals like rats and rabbits. Their beaks look like hooks. They are very sharp and powerful. Eagles can eat meat easily with these beaks. Herons love to eat fish. They use their long, pointed beaks to catch them. Hummingbirds like to drink flower nectar. Their beaks are very long and thin. Hummingbirds can easily put them inside flowers. Bird beaks are useful. Let's find other beak shapes at the zoo.